welcome back to my channel, your German trainer. This is Neha, your German trainer. So I am coming here with a new topic, that is pronomen. So do you have any struggle with pronomen and you don't know how to use them in German sentence? Then in the next few minutes I will explain you step by step and in an interesting way this topic pronomen. So let's begin. First of all, what is pronomen? So we use pronomen instead of noun. In a sentence, we use pronomen instead of noun. So today I will show you what are the pronomens in German, and we called pronoun in German Pronomen. Okay, so see that. Ich, du, er, sie, es, ihr, wir und sie. So these are the pronomen in German. Okay, so these are the pronomen in German, and ich here is the first person singular number. When we called about I, then we use ich. Okay, the next one is du. Du means you, and that is informal. When you are talking with your friends, your family, your known person, when you are using informal, then you will use du. Du means you. Okay, er, sie, es. This means third person singular number like he, she or it. Er means male, sie means female, and es means it. Okay, so er, sie, es. When we are talking about male, then we will use er, er, then sie, and this is informal. This g is informal. S, e, a. Okay, z and s. Ear means you all. Means when we are talking about many person and when we addressing people, all of them, then we will use ear. Okay, you all. The next one is wir. V, e, r. Wir means we. That is also plural. And sie, and that sie is they means plural. And okay, so these are the pronomen. Now I will show you an example how to use the pronomen in German sentence. Okay, let's see. Rahul ist Arzt. Rahul ist Lehrer auch. Okay, so we are using nomen Rahul two times, but here we are using pronomen. So for this sentence, Rahul ist Arzt, er ist Lehrer auch. So now in this way we are using pronomen in this sentence. So Rahul ist Arzt, er ist Lehrer auch. Okay, let me show you more two example. So second one is ich bin eine Pilotin, means I am a pilot, female part, because German language is gender specific, so that's why here we are using the female part. So ich bin eine Pilotin. Okay, the third one is sie sind Freundin. Here sie is they und sind conjugation, sie sind und Freundin, they are friends. So in this way pronomen are uses in German sentence.
If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.